Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring iTunes is the latest version and that your Windows PC recognizes the device. Plug in the iPhone with a reliable USB cable, unlock the phone, and tap Trust when prompted. This authorizes file transfer. Once connected, open iTunes and check Edit Preferences devices to confirm a recent backup is available. You do this now so the restore has a valid source. Without a proper backup, you cannot recover apps, settings, or messages. You will now select the backup and start the restore. In iTunes, click the iPhone icon and open the Summary tab, then click Restore Backup. Choose the backup matching the date and device state you want to return to, because backups are not merged. If the backup is encrypted, enter the backup password when prompted so saved passwords and health data restore. Once you confirm, iTunes transfers data. Keep the iPhone connected and do not interrupt the process, which may take minutes to over an hour, depending on size. You finish by letting iTunes complete the restore. The iPhone will restart and then continue installing apps and reindexing content. This can take additional time. Once done, verify contacts, photos, and messages are present. If the restore fails, first try another USB port or the original Apple cable, reboot PC and iPhone, and update Windows drivers. These fixes resolve most connectivity problems. If errors persist, make a new encrypted backup on a healthy machine and attempt the restore again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.